We can never have enough minis. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, friends. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. If you have been with me for a while, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate it. Today, I have something oh so little and oh so cute to share with you, which also includes a channel shout out. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera because I want you to see exactly what it is I'm talking about. Now, if you've been with me for a while, you know that I love to make minis. I love to make mini books. I love to make mini folios. I love to make mini bags and boxes. That's just some of the things that I do. I am especially fond of mini books. That's what I have here. All of this is made from scrap white paper that I happen to have, scrap chipboard, and scrap decorative paper. Now, I was inspired to make my mini in this way by Made with a Lottie Love. I will have her channel linked in the description box below. This is not a tutorial. This is a project share because Lottie has already done the tutorial. So if you're interested in how this is made, go to her channel and watch her tutorial. She does a fabulous job demoing how to make the mini book as well as how to make it a keychain mini book. Now that's something new to me. Like I said, I've made plenty of mini books this size, but I have never thought to make it into a key ring or a keychain mini book, and that's exactly what Lottie has done. So I used what I had to try to imitate how she had her key rings on her books. Now I was out of key rings, so I used what I had. I used some little pin hooks, and then I just put some charms on mine in place of keys. Now all of my books are different sizes because my scrap pieces are different sizes. But I really want you to head over to Made with a Lottie Love and check out her video. Now I glued my pages in because that's the technique that I like to use. But Lottie used a different technique. That's why you should head on out there and watch her video, because some people don't like the glue-in technique. You might find that her technique of adding the pages are better suited to your style of crafting. But making these little books, y'all, it is so addictive. They are so easy, and look how easy they are to carry. When you add the actual keychain, you can hook it to your keys, and if you need to make a quick note, you'll have a little mini notebook to be able to do it. Now, Lottie's making up a whole bunch of these for a craft fair that she's about to do, and I think that's a great idea, making something like this for a craft fair. And I believe that she even shows you how to package it. So there are two ways that you can get to Lottie's channel. Check the description box. I will have her channel linked there, or in the title bar of this video, I will have her linked there as well. How about subscribing while you're out there, because Lottie is on her way to 1,000 subscribers, and I think that this is the sweet little project that might just help to get her to 1,000. So that is my sweet little project share as well as shout out. Now, I want to remind you of something. I want to remind you that if you haven't picked up pails like this, you might want to grab a few, because I just put the finishing touches on that project that I want to share with you guys, and I can tell you this, it is mind-blowing cute. So if you have some access to some of these pails, especially if they have the wider handle here, grab a few. Y'all, today was really quick, but thank you for stopping by. I truly appreciate it. So head on out to Lottie's channel and show her some of that Posh Paper Lady family love that you show to me each and every day. As always, my beautiful friends, y'all, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.